before you want to worry about other people. Yes, we have irregular verbs. But I was nervous about introducing those wrinkles right now because we do have many regular verbs. Do the main character. Yeah, the main character, right? We do the main character. Yes. It's very nice when you tell your stories from first person singular, right? It's narcissism, but it's allowed. Let's be selfish. Okay, so what about if we want to say something about, in the future? In the future. In the future. Let me bring these in a little bit more so you can see. In the future. This one here means drink. This is drink, and this is eat. How do I say I will eat? How do I say I will eat or I will drink in Bantu? In Sotho? Kitlaja, yes. Kitlaja, it means I will eat. I will eat. Kitlaja. This means I will eat. Yes, you said it first. Kitlaja. And how do you say I will drink? I will drink. How do you say I will drink? Kitlaja means eat. This is will. Tla means will.